Okay, children, let's do the next exercise. This is going to be a very interesting, as well as from this exercise you are going to learn a new words and its meaning also. Let's go into the exercise. Okay, look at the book carefully, children. Just read out the heading carefully. Write OU. Write OU, this is two letters, isn't it? OU. To complete the words, we want to write it out OU. Then match the words to the pictures. They are saying a two-step. First step is to complete the dash with the same letter. Which letter? OU. We want to complete it with OU. Then the full word will get formed, isn't it? From that word, you are going to match the corresponding or correct picture. Okay, first let's fill it the dash with the two-letter OU. I'm just doing the first step. I'm just filling the two-letter word OU all over the dash. Okay. If you are given the letter, if you put OU into the all words, then you get a perfect word. Okay, let's see which one, which is the most you know that. Okay, this is a mouth. M-O-U-T-H, a mouth. Okay, you have to find it out. Where is a mouth? You have to find it out because it's a very easy one. Just keep your forefinger from the top and search it like here, like this, top to bottom. Then you can find it out very easily. Yes, some of them find it out. Okay, please help me where it is. Yes, here it is. Very good. Shall I put a line to this? Very nice. Okay. Let's move to the next letter. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. You are going to tell me where is the mouse? Did you find it out? Where is the yes, where is the mouse? Yes, here it is a mouse. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see here. This is one. House. H-O-U-S-E, house. You are going to find it out. Where is the house picture? Did you got it? Did you got the correct answer? Yes, where it is? Please help me, children, to find the picture of house. Yes, here it is a house. So I'm going to make a line. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's see this. This is cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Okay, find it out. Where is the cloud picture here? If you are not able to find it out, please keep your forefinger on top and search it from top to bottom. Then you can easily find it out. Tell me, children, where is the picture of cloud? Yes, do you all find it out? Yes, you are all shouting here, here. I can hear it. Okay, where it is? Please help me one more time. Where is the cloud picture? Yes, here is a cloud picture. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Where is the couch? Okay, let's do the couch. C-O-U-C-H, couch. Couch. Okay. Couch. Okay, tell me where is a couch? You all know what is couch? In couch, we will used to sit, sleep sometimes, and we will used to sit and watch the TV. What is the relating picture? Please tell me, children. Think carefully and tell me. Okay, where it is? Yes, this is a couch. The couch. Okay, let's move to the next word. Shout. S-H-O-U-T, shout. Okay, tell me the picture which having the shout feeling or shout action. Keep your forefinger from the top to end and search the correct picture which is showing the shout action. Yes, this is a correct picture. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is a P O U C H. Pouch. Pouch. Okay, find it out. Where is a pouch? You can easily find it out because you all know what is a pouch, isn't it? Okay, I know you all having a pouch with you. Find it out. Where is a pouch picture? Yes, here is a pouch picture. So I'm going to make a line. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E. Blouse. Okay. Okay, tell me where is a blouse? Blouse means dress, shirt. Where is a dress? Yes, you all find it out very easily if I am told dress. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Cloud, we have finished. Okay, we want to finish loud. 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 What is a loud? Yes, this is a, okay, so I'm just make a mistake. Wait. Okay. Loud. L-O-U-D. This is a loud, isn't it? There's a two similar picture. I've just given it here. Okay. This is shout. She is shouting. Very nice. I've just made a mistake. Well done. Okay. Let's do the next one. Okay. Let's do the last one. Snout. S-N-O-U-T. Snout. What is a snout? Yes, the pigs have a snout. This is in a Peppa Pig. Do you all see? Yes, this is a snout. Okay, children. Okay, we just add the OU to the all the word and we have matched the picture. This is a two-step was given. But what is the usage of doing this exercise? To know about the sound of the two-letter word OU. Ow. 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 Okay, if you got this two-letter word OU continuously, OU, then the sound of the word is ow. So only snout, pouch, mouse, blouse, cloud, couch, shout, mouth, house, and loud. Okay, from this exercise you have learned the sound of the two-letter word OU. What is the sound of the two-letter word OU? Ow. Ow. Okay, children, do you understand? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.